It's time to move to Maximo. Is the thought of changing your current EAM system or implementing a new EAM just too daunting? You know you need to do it, but the idea seems just too big and complex to tackle. Well, not anymore. It's time to move to Maximo. A migration from another EAM system like SAP or Infor to Maximo can be easily performed when using an AI data application like Alchemize, which we built with this very purpose in mind. We know there are other EAM solutions out there, but here are just a few of the reasons why Maximo has been a recognized asset management market leader in Gartner's MQ for EAM for over 27 years. Unlike competitors, Maximo was designed and built for maintenance first, with the capabilities to help you on your journey to reliability-centered maintenance, predictive maintenance, and financially optimized maintenance processes. Maximo is a single, cohesive application with an integrated mobile solution. No more buying and trying to integrate separate, multiple, and compartmentalized applications that have been bundled together and sold with different pricing metrics. Maximo offers powerful, built-in advanced reporting and analytics capabilities using BERT, Cognos, and IBM Watson Analytics. Maximo is supported across multiple platforms for a deployment on-premises or in the cloud. It's scalable and offers flexible license options for your dynamic and evolving organization. Don't sit on the sidelines. Join the majority of top global asset-intensive industry leaders that leverage Maximo Enterprise Asset Management Solutions. IBM's Maximo helps infrastructure leaders optimize assets and operations around the world and is deployed in 99 countries across all 7 continents. Industry leaders choose to use Maximo for increased maintenance productivity, as well as reduction in equipment downtime and inventory costs. And, best of all, according to the recent survey data, switching to or implementing Maximo has resulted in quicker ROI benefits for you, such as a 10 to 20% reduction in labor costs, a 10 to 15% reduction in inventory costs, and up to 25% reduction in time lost to equipment failures. With Alchemize, our AI data application, moving to Maximo has never been easier. Alchemize manages and handles data more efficiently and reliably without antiquated ETL and script migrations. The normally tedious and time-consuming tasks like discovery and mapping and migration are all automated by Alchemize. Alchemize automation streamlines repeatable processes to migrate your data or entire system, regardless of source, platform, or database, even if your data is in Excel, using no-code solutions for quicker project deliveries and an overall cost savings up to 80%. No need to fear the inevitable. With the power of Maximo and the speed of Alchemize, it's time to move to the best-in-class Maximo EAM solution today. For more information about Maximo or how Maxis technology can expedite your update to Maximo and strengthen your EAM solutions with Alchemize, visit maxistechnology.com/Maximo or call 844-696-2947.